Action.
Welcome to Nitro News Channel 5 on the radio. As you know, there's been a terrible blizzard, and there's been a car accident not long after. And here we're in to get the full scoop of the story, but here's for the weather first. Ryan?
Okay, John. It is negative 20 degrees out. Right? And the feel light temperature outside is negative 35. We could get like 5 to 8 inches of snow this afternoon with 2 to 4 inches of ice and 1 to 2 inches of black ice and winds up to 25 to 35 miles an hour southwest. Back to you, John, for the news.
Alright, so right now we're going to try to get a hold of the plowing company to see if they can help us with this terrible storm, because it doesn't look good. Alright, so, as you know, there's been a terrible storm, which is pretty obvious. I'm not sure if we will be able to get it before 2 hours, but if we might be able to get this place cleared up. Oh, it's pretty scary. So, try to stay off the roads. Nice people. And warning, if you do decide to go on the road, drive very carefully.
Okay.
Okay, thanks, Tom.
Okay. Now we're gonna try to push the truck out of the way. Got it, Tom.
Great.
Got it, John.
Fix up my car. Okay, so great job. Now let's see if we can get these roads to be able to be driven on soon. I'm gonna try to help, but no promises. As you know, it's a pretty crazy storm.
Alright, John, we are now plowing the roads.
Good.
Please watch out for moving snow. Oh, look what's coming. John, look what's coming. Look, there's a plow truck. There's a tow truck coming.
Uh-oh. Someone's hurt. According to all people and units of the blizzard, the snow blizzard, is everyone okay?
Yes.
Good. Now, we got a call coming in from Unit 9 in Main Street. So, hello. What's your name? Fred. Well, how do you think the blizzard played out? I think it played out pretty fierce, but I think that we'll be able to think of this as the past, not always the present or the future. I think the snow will melt, which will be a relief, but for now, I think we can't do anything about it besides let nature take its toll on us. Now, I sure hope it gets better soon and gets really warm. But, yeah, we're trapped in our homes, so we really hope that we can get out before
Fred?
So, Fred!
No. Fred? Fred,
Yes?
Well, do you need Coventry plow trucks and tow trucks to come over and help you?
Yeah,
Because
kind
we
of.
can if you want us to.
It's a pretty crazy storm out, and I'm not sure how much longer we can maintain it alone. So yes, please. That would be fabulous. It's crazy out.
We will be coming over in 2 minutes. We're on our way.
Good. Thank you.
Now,
2 minutes later. So, as you know, 2 minutes later has passed, and he's on his way with their plow trucks. But we're not sure how long it'll take until they're there, so we can only hope for the best. Guys, I hope this storm starts to clear up soon, because it's crazy out. School cancellation may be out for weeks if they don't try to fix this snow faster. It's already gonna be out for 2 days straight due to the wicked cold temperatures. So, I hope soon the storm plays out and gives up, because humans are stronger. And we have a brain. So, I think we can live through this and think of it as the past, like the guy who called said. Which is a relief.